Menstrual pads rely on cellulose fibers sourced from sustainably managed pine trees to ensure absorbency and environmental responsibility.
Selected trees are harvested using precision equipment to minimize waste while providing the base material for menstrual pads. Harvested wood destined for menstrual pad production is transported to pulp processing facilities. Bark is removed to isolate clean wood required for high-purity menstrual pad fibers. Are converted into uniform chips to prepare consistent cellulose for menstrual pads. Pulping separates cellulose fibers essential for absorbent menstrual pads.
Washing removes impurities to ensure menstrual pads remain skin safe.
Environmentally controlled bleaching improves fiber purity without harsh residues.
Cellulose is compressed for efficient transport to the pad manufacturing plant.
Dry cellulose sheets form the absorbent base of menstrual pads. Raw absorbent material moves to the menstrual pad production facility.
Materials are logged and tracked to maintain traceability. Inspection ensures fibers meet absorbency and safety standards.
SAP granules enable menstrual pads to lock in fluid efficiently. All components are staged before core manufacturing begins.
Fibers are fluffed to increase absorbency. Technology evenly distributes fibers.
Controlled SAP improves leak protection.
Compression stabilizes the absorbent structure.
Ergonomic shaping. Permanent shaping enhances comfort.
Weight checks ensure consistent absorption.
Soft top sheets contact skin safely.
Ultrasonic bonding avoids chemical adhesives. This layer quickly pulls fluid inward.
Back sheets prevent leakage.
Lamination forms a protective barrier.
Sealed edges prevent fluid escape. Wings improve fit stability. Secure wings keep pads in place. Folding prepares pads for packaging. Adhesive secures pads in underwear. Curing ensures adhesive performance.
Release paper protects adhesive.
Uniform size ensures consistent fit. Die cutting finalizes pad geometry. Excess material is recycled. Cameras detect defects instantly. Thickness affects comfort and absorption. Pads are tested for real-world performance. Retention testing prevents leakage. Flexibility ensures comfort during movement.
Smoothness prevents skin irritation.
Odor control improves user confidence.
Side guards add extra protection. Channels guide fluid inward. Channels guide fluid inward. Symmetry ensures consistent performance. Soft edges prevent chafing.
Early microbial checks protect hygiene.
Defective pads are removed automatically. Density ensures absorption reliability. Accurate counts prevent shortages.
Folding prepares pads for wrapping.
Compression reduces package size. Wrappers maintain hygiene. Each pad is sealed for safety. Seals prevent contamination. Wrapper integrity ensures shelf life. Coating provides traceability.
Batch IDs aid quality tracking.
Accurate pack counts are ensured. Pads are grouped for consumers. Retail packaging protects contents. Weight confirms correct quantity.
Barcodes enable retail scanning.
Verification prevents retail errors. Cartons prepare for shipping. Packs are loaded precisely. Sealed cartons protect products.
Labels identify shipment details.
Wrapping stabilizes loads.
Weight ensures shipping compliance.
Products enter controlled storage.